In today's episode, we're going to be speaking about Arabic grammar. I'm going to be starting with speaking about Arabic parts of speech. Or, in a different way, how many types of words do we have in Arabic? There are three main types of words in Arabic. Ism, fi'al, and harf. Fi'al is the verb, and there is no any confusion about that. And harf is the particle, and also there is no any confusion about that. When you look at the verb, you'll see that we have the three main verbs that are in all languages: ماضي or ماض, مضارع, and أمر. When you come to the particle or harf, harf is like words like in, on, from, at. There is no any confusion about that. Our main concern in this episode and in the upcoming few episodes is ism. Some people think or say it's the noun, and this is completely wrong. Noun is part of the ism. Ism is the main category. And then noun is under this category. To completely understand what is ism, fa'al, or harf, you have to look at the definition, how Arabic scholars defined each word in Arabic long ago. Ism is, as you can see, is the word that gives us a complete idea and meaning about something. And it doesn't need any help from any other word to complete the meaning in your mind. It has nothing to do with the time. So, the word doesn't mean that any action happened in the past or in the present or at any time. But the verb is exactly like the ism. However, it shows us or illustrate a specific time, an action that happened at any time. But harf is just a word, has no meaning by its own. Like if you put a word like fi, ala, it has no meaning by its own. It needs other words to complete the meaning. Let me give you some examples. Let's see ism. When you look at the ism, I'm going to provide you with a few examples. For example, Muhammad, Jamil, سريعا, هو, هذا. And I'm going to give you some verbs. ذهب, يأكل, العب. حرف في, إلى. When you look at the ism, Muhammad is just a name. Jamil, beautiful, it's an adjective. And then we have Sariya, fast, adverb. And then we have Huwa, it's a pronoun. And then we have Hada, it means this, demonstrative. All these types of words are under the category of ism. But when you look at the verb, ذهب, يأكل, العب, it has a meaning by its own and it has time. So when I say ذهب, it gives you an idea that someone went and did an action in the past. But when I say Muhammad, Jamil, it gives you an idea, but you don't know where this idea happened. And of course, fi and ila has no meaning by its own. There is a very interesting here, we have to mention that the original word in Arabic is ism. So each verb is taken from ism and not the opposite. And this is also a very interesting information that you can make a complete sentence just using ism. And you cannot do the opposite with verb. Like you can say Muhammadun Jamilun. Muhammad is beautiful. This is a complete sentence with a complete idea. but you cannot do this with the verb. So, as you can see here, the category of ism includes nouns like person, place, thing, also adjectives, an adverb, and pronoun and demonstratives. All these types of words are under the main category ism. All types of words in Arabic language except verb and particle are under the category of ism. Let's focus more with ism. To fully understand ism in Arabic, you have to understand 4 features that stick with the ism and cannot leave ism. There is no any ism without these 4 features. الجنس, العدد, التعريف, الإعراب. As you can see, الجنس is the gender, العدد is the number, التعريف definiteness, whether this ism or this word is a definite or indefinite, and the last thing is case ending, الإعراب, which we're going to be dealing with this in the upcoming episodes. Gender. Arabic has just 2 types of genders, مؤنث, feminine, and مذكر, masculine. العدد, there are 3 types of numbers in Arabic. مفرد, singular, جمع, plural, and مثنى, which is dual, 2. And with the definiteness or التعريف, معرفة, definite, nakira, indefinite. And last thing we have الإعراب, رفع, نصب, jar, جزم. These are the conditions or types of i'rab in Arabic. In the upcoming few episodes, we're going to be focusing with these 4 features which stick with the Arabic ism. And more specifically, next episode we're going to be speaking about al-jins or gender in Arabic with a little bit more details. Until then, brothers and sisters, I hope you have a great day and I'll see you in the next episode. مع السلامة.